The blue jay is a passerine bird in the family Corvidae, native to eastern North America. It lives in most of the eastern and central United States. Some eastern populations may be migratory. Resident populations are also in Newfoundland, Canada. Breeding populations are found across southern Canada. The blue jay is bright blue on top and white to gray on its throat, chest, and belly. It has a gray-blue crest on its head and black and white bars on its wings and tail. Its bill, legs and feet are black. Blue jays are roughly 23 to 30 centimeters long and have a wingspan of about 33 to 43 centimeters. Blue jays have predominantly blue plumage on their head, back, wings, and tail. Their chest and belly are white, and they have a black collar around their neck. The feathers on their wings and tail have black bars and white spots, and their crest is blue and black. The male and female blue jays look very similar, although males are usually slightly larger. Juvenile blue jays have a more muted coloration, with grayish-brown feathers and a less prominent crest, but they still have the black collar around their neck. The lifespan of a blue jay in the wild can vary, but on average they live for around 7 years. However, some blue jays have been known to live for up to 17 years in the wild, and even longer in captivity. Several factors can influence the lifespan of a blue jay, including genetics, diet, and environmental conditions. Juvenile blue jays, for example, have a higher mortality rate than adult birds due to their lack of experience and increased vulnerability to predators. Blue jays are known for their distinctive calls and vocalizations, which can be quite varied and complex. The most recognizable sound of a blue jay is a loud and raucous jay call that sounds like JJ. Blue jays often use this call to communicate with other birds, or to sound an alarm if they spot a predator. Blue jays also make a variety of whistling sounds, including a clear PU call and a more musical queedle call. These calls are often used during courtship displays or to signal a potential threat. Blue jays are talented mimics and can imitate the sounds of other birds, animals, and even humans. They may mimic the calls of hawks or other predators to scare off other birds, or mimic the sound of a cat or dog to fool other animals. Blue jays also have a rattling call that sounds like a machine gun, which they may use to communicate with their mate or to defend their territory. Blue jays eat a variety of seeds and nuts, including acorns, beechnuts, sunflower seeds, and peanuts. They are particularly fond of oak trees, which produce acorns that blue jays will bury in the ground for later consumption. Blue jays also eat a wide range of insects, including grasshoppers, caterpillars, and beetles. They may catch insects in flight or forage for them on the ground. Blue jays enjoy eating a variety of fruits and berries, including blueberries, strawberries, grapes, and apples. They may also feed on the fruits of trees such as hawthorns and dogwoods. Blue jays will occasionally prey on small animals such as mice, frogs, and other birds' eggs and nestlings. They are opportunistic feeders and will take advantage of any available food source. Blue jays are known to visit bird feeders and will eat a variety of seeds, nuts, and suet that is put out for them. Overall, blue jays have a diverse and adaptable diet that allows them to survive in a range of habitats, from forests and woodlands to suburban areas and parks. Blue jays breed in the spring and summer, and their nests are typically constructed in trees or shrubs using twigs, grasses, and other plant material. Female blue jays typically lay 4-5 eggs per clutch, which they incubate for around 17 to 18 days. The eggs are pale blue or green with brown spots. Blue jay chicks are born naked and helpless and are entirely dependent on their parents for food and care. Both parents take turns feeding and caring for the young. After around 17 to 21 days, the blue jay chicks will leave the nest and become fledglings. At this stage, they are still unable to fly and will spend several days on the ground, where their parents will continue to care for them and feed them. Blue jays are precocial birds, which means that they develop and mature relatively quickly. Within a few weeks, the young blue jays will be able to fly and will start to become more independent. They will still rely on their parents for food and protection, however, until they are fully grown and able to fend for themselves. Blue jays can be very protective of their young and may become aggressive towards humans or other animals that come too close to their nest or offspring. If you encounter a blue jay nest or fledgling in the wild, it's best to observe from a safe distance and avoid disturbing the birds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.